Welcome to Leafy Life. If you're dreaming of a balcony or patio bursting with color and charm, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 10 amazing flowers that are perfect for these spaces. Each of these beauties brings something unique, be it fragrance, vibrant colors, or elegance. Stick around for tips on their care, including the best fertilizers to keep them blooming beautifully. Let's get started. 1. Petunias are a favorite for balconies, known for their stunning trumpet-shaped blooms in shades of pink, purple, and white. They're perfect for hanging baskets or railing planters, where their cascading growth creates a dramatic waterfall of color. Petunias are hardy and bloom from spring through fall. To keep them vibrant, fertilize weekly with a balanced liquid fertilizer, 10-10-10. They love sunlight, so place them where they can soak up at least 6 hours of direct light daily. 2. Geraniums are classic flowers that add timeless beauty to any balcony or patio. Their clusters of red, pink, or white blooms sit atop sturdy stems, making them a standout choice. Geraniums are not only beautiful but also low maintenance, thriving in sunny spots with moderate watering. To encourage continuous blooms, use a slow-release fertilizer or a high-potassium liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. These flowers also repel pests, making them practical as well as gorgeous. 3. Begonia. If you're looking for something versatile, begonias are a perfect choice. With their lush, waxy leaves and delicate flowers in shades of red, orange, and yellow, they bring both texture and color to your space. Begonias do well in partial shade, making them ideal for patios that don't get full sun. Use a balanced fertilizer, 20-20-20 once a month, to support their growth. They're perfect for pots or hanging baskets, creating a cozy tropical vibe. 4. Marigolds are known for their bright, sunny blooms and their ability to thrive in almost any condition. Their golden yellow and orange flowers are perfect for adding a pop of warm color to your balcony. Besides their beauty, marigolds are excellent for repelling pests, making them a great companion for other plants. Fertilize them with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer during their early growth stages, then switch to a bloom booster, high in phosphorus, as buds form. 5. Impatiens. For a splash of color in shaded areas, impatiens are a must-have. These delicate flowers come in shades of red, pink, orange, and white, and they thrive in cool, shady corners of your patio. Impatiens are easy to care for and bloom continuously throughout the season. A monthly application of a water-soluble fertilizer, 10-10-10, will keep them healthy and vibrant. They're perfect for filling pots or planters where sunlight is limited. 6. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is perfect if you want a showstopper on your balcony. With vibrant bracts in hues of magenta, red, and orange, these hardy climbers thrive in warm, sunny locations. Bougainvillea adds a Mediterranean flair to your space, and its drought tolerance makes it easy to maintain. Use a low-nitrogen fertilizer, like 5-5-10, every 4 weeks to encourage abundant blooms. Let it climb on a trellis or cascade over the edge of your balcony for a dramatic effect. 7. Fuchsia flowers are nature's little chandeliers with their dangling, bell-shaped blooms in vivid pinks and purples. They thrive in partial shade and cooler temperatures, making them ideal for balconies with limited direct sunlight. Fuchsias need consistent watering and benefit from a water-soluble fertilizer, 20-20-20, every 2 weeks. Their elegant blooms are perfect for hanging baskets, creating a romantic and whimsical atmosphere. 8. Lavender brings beauty and serenity to your patio with its soothing purple blooms and calming fragrance. It's a hardy plant that loves full sun and well-drained soil. Besides its beauty, lavender is known for its relaxing properties and can even repel mosquitoes. Fertilize it sparingly with a low nitrogen mix to avoid excessive foliage growth. Pair it with terracotta pots for a rustic charm. 9. Verbena is a low-maintenance flower that adds a touch of elegance with its clusters of tiny blooms in colors like pink, purple, and red. These flowers are drought-tolerant and thrive in full sun, making them perfect for balconies exposed to a lot of light. Use a bloom-boosting fertilizer, high in potassium, every couple of weeks to encourage prolonged flowering. Verbena looks stunning in hanging baskets or as a filler in larger planters. 10. Hibiscus. Hibiscus brings tropical vibes to your patio with its large exotic blooms in vibrant reds, yellows, and oranges. It thrives in sunny spots and needs consistent watering to keep its blooms lush and healthy. Feed it with a fertilizer specifically designed for flowering plants, such as one high in potassium and magnesium, every 2 weeks during the growing season. With proper care, hibiscus can bloom year-round, adding a touch of paradise to your outdoor space. Transforming your balcony or patio into a floral haven is easier than you think with these beautiful flowers. Whether you prefer bold colors or soft pastels, there's something here for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, let us know in the comments which flower you'd love to add to your space. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow plant enthusiasts. See you next time on Leafy Life. Happy planting. Flower.